In today's video, I'm going to show you what happens when you put baking soda around your house. This is the ultimate baking soda solution to get rid of mice and rats. You've been warned. When rats or mice eat this, they will experience extreme stomach pain and will die, and it's completely natural. Now, before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, make sure to watch the whole video so you understand how to use this powerful technique to get rid of rats and mice. There are many ways to use baking soda to kill rats and mice, but this method is the most effective. When rats or mice eat baking soda, it disrupts their digestive system and they will eventually die. I will show you the best way to set up a trap using baking soda that will for sure kill these rodents. This is important. Do not use this if you have a cat or a dog. This is only for outdoors. Use around your property line or in your garage. Rats and mice are normally scared of the smell of baking soda, but if you mix it with peanut butter, they will be attracted to it and eat it without any hesitation. This is because rats and mice love the smell of peanut butter. Here's what you want to do. Grab some containers. It doesn't matter what kind. Grab some peanut butter and grab some potato flakes. Mix all of these ingredients together and make sure you use equal parts of each ingredient. Once you have even pieces, place them around your property where rats and mice travel. You can place them in your garage, under your shed, or anywhere where these rodents travel. When rats or mice eat this, they will experience extreme stomach pain and will die. Baking soda creates a gas buildup inside their stomachs, and this is what causes their demise. On average, it takes about 2 to 3 grams of baking soda to kill a rat or a mouse. But if you really want to get rid of them, you should combine the baking soda with peanut butter and potato flakes. This will ensure that the rats or mice eat enough baking soda to die. If you want to get more creative, you can also sprinkle some baking soda on your plants. If you have a green thumb, this will get rid of the rodents and keep your plants safe. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family so they can protect their homes as well. Now you know how to get rid of rats and mice using the ultimate baking soda solution. I will see you in the next video.